Good morning, dear students. Today we are knowing about some words which are called as naughty comparison words. Okay, these are those words which does not follow any of the rule. For example, in the degree of comparison, there are some rule. Okay, in comparative degree, we always use er at the end of the word and est at the superlative. But there are few words which are called as naughty comparison words. For example, good, better, best. They are not following the rules of the comparative degrees, so these are called as naughty comparison. Next is bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most, and much more, most. So now here we are moving toward the next worksheet. In this worksheet, Rajat and Sonali have won a debate competition and they want to throw a party to their friends. So now there you can see a picture. In this picture there are some photos of ice creams given and they want to give an ice cream party to their friends. So they are discussing about which ice cream they have to include and which they do not want to include. So here in this worksheet we have to use only naughty comparison words. So first of all, here we are moving on page number 33 of your BB book. So here Rajat and Sonali, they both are discussing. So first one is Rajat. I don't believe that we have won. Sonali, that's the best thing. That's the. Always remember, whenever the comes, always remember a thing, that whenever the word the comes, then we have to use only and only superlative degree. So here we can see the. So the, it means here superlative degree will come. So the best thing has happened to us in this month. Next, Rajat, we wait for the result was, the wait for the result was dash than anything else. The wait for the result was worse than anything else. Okay, and now for the party, which ice cream would you like? Sonali, I think bricks would be dash than cups. Here again a word than is used, and you know that whenever than comes, then there is always comparison between two things. So here is comparison between bricks and cups. So we will use here comparative degree. So what will come here? I think bricks are better than cups. They will cost dash 2. They will cost less 2. Now next, Rajat, what about orange bars? All my friends say that sticks are the dash. Sticks are the best. They all enjoy eating them. Next, Sonali, I think orange bars are dash. I think orange bars are worst. They hurt the throat. And next, Rajat, but we can't leave them out completely. We all have dash orange bars than cup. We all have less. Here is comparison between orange bars and cup. So little, less, least. Comparative degree will use here less. Now Sonali, that's all right. But we will also buy the new ice cream, Max Biscuit. My dash friend says, my many friends says that they have the dash wonderful taste. They have the most wonderful taste. Now next, Rajat, I would rather prefer chocolate cornetto cones. Sonali, they are the dash wanted. They are the most wanted. Okay. So this was about the words which are used in naughty comparison. I have told you naughty comparison are those words which do not follow any of the rule. Now come on the next page. Okay, so in this page, what is given to all of us? In this page there is We always used to speak as good as, not so easy as. Okay, so here few of the clue words given to all of us. We have to remember all of them. So we will come to the remember column. We use as dash as to show that the two things are similar in the same way. Okay, when we compare a thing, we use as dash. Okay, for example, as long as river, as black as coal. Okay, here we compare two things with one thing with other thing. Now we are moving towards a worksheet. Here you can see again that in the each sentence, the tallest, the fastest, the longest, the nearest, the tallest, the biggest, the smallest, the highest. Okay, you can see here that before the superlative degree a word they is used. So don't forget, dear students, the is used before the superlative degrees. So here tallest is the superlative degree. So before superlative degree the is used. Here again the, here again the. You can see each and every sentence. So we are moving toward this worksheet. Who is the tallest child in the class? Okay. Here is a column given to all of us. We have to write the answer in the given column. So you have to fill here who is the tallest boy or who is the tallest girl. Okay. Now next, which is the fastest airline in the world? So whenever we talk about the fastest airline, okay, the name comes TU-144. Okay. TU-144 is the fastest airliner in the world. Which animal has the longest tusk? You know, elephant is the animal which having longest tusk. Which planet is the nearest to the earth? So Venus is a planet which is nearest to the earth. So here Venus will come. Next is, which is the tallest building in the world? So Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Which is the biggest continent in the on the earth? So you know which one is the biggest continent. Okay, you are very familiar about the continents also. So here we all will write Asia is the biggest continent on the earth. Which is the smallest continent on the earth? You know, you have read in your GK books that Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. Which is the highest mountain peak on the Himalayas? So this question you also know that Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak of the world. Now on the next worksheet, here is, this is about the Olympic Games which were held in 2012 at the London, UK. So here we having given a chart performance of the top 5 countries. So here you can see that which country won the highest medals. So here America, it won 104 total medals. After that China, after that Great Britain, after that Russia, and after that South Korea. Now our next worksheet is related to this performance table. So first of all, the US won the dash number of gold medals. Again here you can see the word the, it means the is here. So it means here which degree will come? Here superlative degree will come. So here we having given a word large. Okay. So large, larger, largest. So what we'll write here? Largest. Next one is Russia won dash bronze medal than Great Britain. Okay, so Russia won dash great medal. Here we having given a clue word few. So again here is comparison between Russia and Britain. How we can know about the comparison? Because here the word than is given to all of us. Than, whenever we will see the word than in a sentence, it means This is comparison sentences. So we have to use here comparative degree. So what's a comparative form of few, fewer? Okay, so what will come here? Russia won fewer bronze medal than Great Britain. Okay, next one is the United States of America won as dash silver medal as bronze medal. And whenever, this is a most important thing I have already discussed, that whenever as word comes twice in a sentence, you can see here as here and as here. Okay, so here whenever as words come, so what we have to do, we will not change the adjective. Okay, so here what will come? Many. We will write the many as a way given on the question. So we will write here United States of America won as many silver medal as bronze. Okay, so next is the United States of America won dash medal than any of the other country. So again here comparative degree, because you can see here than. Okay, so than means comparison. So here again we will use comparative degree. So what will come? Many, more, most. So here will come more. Next, fifth filler, the United States of America won dash gold medal than China. Okay, again here is comparison between two countries. One is America and second one is China. So what we'll write here? We will write here comparative degree. So we will write here many, more, most. So what will come here? More. Okay, so dear students, next is again here we have to fill the adjective, given adjective, okay, in the sentence. Okay, so first one is, which is the dash fruit in India? Which is the most popular fruit in India? Okay, most popular fruit. Okay, because here you can see again the is given. So whenever the comes, I have told you that then we have to use superlative degree. So which is the most popular fruit in India? Now December is dashed and February. Again here comparison between 2 months, December and February. So comparative degree, colder. Health is always dashed and wealth. Again here than word is used. So here is again comparison. So we will use here health is always better than wealth. Next, your knife is not so dash as mine. Again here as is given. So I have told you when as comes, then you have to write the same. Your knife is not so sharp as mine. Okay, so sharp as mine. Next, tall, leaning tower of Pisa is not as dash as Qutub Minar. Here you can see the word as is given. So whenever word as comes, then you have to write the adjective same as given. So leaning tower is Pisa is not as tall as Qutub Minar. So here will come tall. Next, beautiful. Which of the two paintings is dash? Okay, so here two paintings are given. Which of the two painting is more beautiful? Okay, दो पेंटिंग में कौन सी ज़्यादा सुंदर है? Which of the two paintings is more beautiful? Now, intelligent. Einstein is considered to be the dash scientist of our time. It means it was a scientist. Okay, it means Einstein was considered as a most intelligent. Here will come most intelligent, because you can see here the is given, and before the I have told you that we always use superlative degree of adjective. So here we have to use superlative degree. So this was about your comparison. Now there is again one worksheet given to all of us. You have to complete this worksheet yourself. Okay, there are some clue words given to all of us. By taking the help of these clue words, what you have to do, watch here. Okay, you have to comparison to your own poem. Okay, you have to frame your own poem which will be related to the any one of the comparison. Okay, so you have to complete this activity also, and every group member displays or her poem in the class. Okay, so here it is not possible to make the group of the students, so this activity you have to perform personally. So each and every student will perform this activity and complete it on your baby book. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.